The summer is here, heat is in the air. It's the best time of the year to get tan with your favorite sport. As is well known, electric skateboarding is a novel and popular way of exercising. The emergence of Veymax has provided everyone with a brand new transportation option. Today I brought Veymax's X3 and went to a quiet deep mountain park. I called my friends to go mountain skating together. There are very spacious roads on this mountain, and usually there aren't many people. It's really exhilarating to be able to slide freely in the deserted mountains and forests. Next is a speed-up 360-degree shot. I hope you can feel the joy from it. Hope you enjoyed this video and love our Veymax electric skateboard.